2 at the Charlie pad for Lima 7. We'll be ready to come over when you're ready for us.
Okay, Spirit Wing 762. I have an aircraft de-icing at Lima 7 right now, so it's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll call you guys back.
Okay, yeah, we were wondering if they were going to push out of the way enough for us to get in, or I guess not.
Yeah, company ops just informed me of your situation. Unfortunately, they told me a little too late, so now I got to work with what I got. Sorry.
Okay.
Spirit Wing 731, metering 2167 at the top of the alley. Have a good day.
So Spirit Wing 658 over here, Mike 2 is, should we start pushing now? Make our way to Lima 5?
Spirit Maintenance 658. All right, go ahead and call T5 ramp control for push, and give me, actually ground point 9 for push, and give me a call approaching.
Copy that. All right.
Alaska 1204.
Go ahead for Alaska 1204.
Okay, Alaska 1204. Contact ground ham, release you from the alpha pad. Start making your way over for Lima 1. You're cleared in.
Okay, cleared in Lima 1. We'll call ground. Thanks, Alaska 1204. Envoy 3978 on the deck for River 8.
Envoy 3978, your gate's open. Give me a call approaching the alley.
Okay, we'll go. 3978 is approaching for Lima 24.
Envoy 3978, are you on the Alpha Bridge?
Negative, we're on Bravo.
Okay, Envoy 3978, I've got some traffic in the alley. Check in with ground, see where they want to hold you for a couple minutes. I'll call you right back.
3978. 762 inbound for Lima 7.
Spirit Wing 762, you're cleared into the alley. Hold a beam Lima 9. I'm going to have Lima 7 push deep and we'll bring you in then.
Alright, cleared in, hold a beam 9, Spirit 762, thanks. Ramp 3978 is holding short Alpha 21 on Bravo, and ground said we can wait here for the traffic.
Okay, Envoy 3978, shouldn't be more than a couple minutes now. I'll call you right back.
3978, thank you, sir.
Spirit Wings 446, you're clear to push spot number 2. Call back when ready.
Clear to push spot 2, sir, 446.
And Spirit Wing 762, reference your ground crew, you're cleared in Lima 7.
We're up 3978 with Spirit pushing up into the alley. We're cleared into 24.
Yeah, Envoy 3978, you're cleared in Lima 24.
Cleared in Lima 24, 3978.